12th and 23rd January. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma yesterday inaugurated the Wahiajer Prime Hub at Wahiajer. Also present during the inauguration were Deputy Chief Ministers Preston Tensong and Sniao Bhalangdhar. In his address, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said that having prime hubs all over the state is connected with the goal and objective to promote entrepreneurship at the grassroots and to allow people to be able to carry out different economic activities and opportunities for themselves and the communities. The Chief Minister also informed that every block of the state will have a prime hub that will serve as a rural technology cum knowledge hubs to provide support for small farmers, producer groups and agri-entrepreneurs.
They will have training, they will have different infrastructure, and they will be able to create more value out of the different products that they are already having.
Chief Minister